Hi there, my name's Dave Ng, and I am a professor out here at the University of British Columbia in Vancouver, Canada, and basically I run a science education lab. So I'm actually reaching out to you today because I just wanted to share with you a very cool project that we've been involved with for quite a while now. And this project is called Phylo the Trading Card Game. It's really cool because basically if you like games or if you like trading card games, like Pokemon or those types of things, this might be right up your alley. Basically, because this project is open, which means that anybody can kind of play along and contribute and all of these things, already on the website there's over 30 different decks that you can actually download yourselves or print out yourselves, and you can play and mix and match and do all sorts of cool things. I actually have an example of a deck. This is actually one of the early decks that the project produced. It's a deck for a museum in Vancouver, the Beatty Biodiversity Museum. And basically it's like highlighting animals that live around Vancouver. So here we have the black bear card. We have the sea otter card. The sea otters, actually, there's a couple at our local aquarium that are actually kind of famous. Salmon, the West Coast is very famous for the salmon. And here's a bee card. So this is just an example of the types of decks that are out there. Now the reason why I'm reaching out to you right now is because of COVID-19. We know a lot of you are kind of doing school-like stuff at home, or some form of school-like stuff at home. And because this project is very much do-it-yourself in many ways, it's kind of like a perfect activity where you can have fun but also learn at the same time. So if you go down below, there's actually a bunch of links where you can learn more about the Phylo Game Trading Card Project, but there's also a worksheet that you can basically print out to kind of get things going. If you do print this out, what you'll see is that in that sheet, apart from instructions, there's basically a handy-dandy worksheet where if you just kind of do your homework, almost like if you had an assignment and you're trying to figure out interesting facts about your living organism, if you fill this out, you basically have all the information you need to make a card. In that handout, we've also produced a template of blank cards, so you can actually literally draw them out and cut them out, and these are actually the exact same size as Pokemon cards, so you can actually begin to build your own cards. Now, for those of you who are really keen, my lab right now, we are totally into you sending me a picture of your completed worksheet, and we'll actually turn it into a proper card where we'll put it on the website, and we might actually start collecting them so that we can produce proper expansion decks down the road. Okay? And if any of you are like super ambitious and you want to make a whole deck, we're actually going to start making lists of all the different organisms, all the different living things you would need to make a playable game. I've got an example here for a list for Vancouver, and right now we'll also have ones for New York and also for the United Kingdom generally. And actually, if you live somewhere else and you want to start doing the homework or getting a bunch of friends, or you work for a park or what have you, we can actually start collecting these lists as well. Anyway, I just want to put that out there. Do take a look below, but hopefully we'll start to see some cool pictures and cards coming in. Okay, bye now.